Muscle scraping for neck pain? I just might have the solution for you. If you aren't seeing results with the scraping tool and it's just sitting there collecting dust, there's a reason. You've been ineffectively using it wrong all along. It's not that you're scraping that will help you heal, it's how you scrape, where you scrape, and in what direction. That makes the world of difference. All scraping tools are welcome, but I love my ached away scraper, and it does the job so much easier with its vibrating and heating function. Check out my review video below in the description box and receive your promo code for a discount. All right, so we're back. We're gonna use our ached away muscle scraper. Like I said, you could pick one up, use the promo code, get some discount, but you could use your own muscle scraper. I think it works just fine. Like I said, it's how you do it, which direction you do it, that makes the most difference. So what we're gonna do is we wanna deactivate a few muscles and then we wanna activate some of the muscles that are gonna make us a little bit stronger. For some of you, I actually woke up with a tighter neck today, so it kind of works out that we're gonna get that going and we're gonna do this neck piece with the scraper. So we wanna basically deactivate the pec minor and the pec major and the lats, and then we want to facilitate things like the serratus posterior, the splenius capitis. Believe it or not, the levator actually is weak. It needs to get a little bit stronger. So we're gonna do that as well and just really try to open that up, see if my neck range, and this is about it. It's about 30 degrees. It's definitely locked up a little bit. This side's a little bit better. Still some achiness. So that'll be my clue that this is working. So let's go deactivate some stuff here. So we wanna get this thing started. Like I said, ached away, it's got this heat function and it's got a vibrate function. The vibration does stop too. You can just have the heating function. So you just basically do a little bit of that and then it'll turn off and then it'll turn back on. But so let's deactivate. So if you're looking at the pec, we got two heads. It's gonna go this way. So we wanna go that way to deactivate. And then the pec minor goes from here to here. So we wanna go away from it. So that's what I'm gonna do. You're gonna see that. So I'm just gonna put my arm, actually, check this out. Yep, this is actually tight too. So usually when you have a tight neck, you have a tight shoulder. So we'll use that as the kind of clues or functional tests. So right here, we're gonna go right into it and then there it is. It just turned off a little bit. But what I wanna do is I wanna go away. In general, I just wanna kind of start with a very general motion. And what people don't realize is the pec actually goes right to that shoulder joint. So you wanna get right into that. Yep. There we go. So right here, get right into that. And how do you know it's starting to loosen up? It just gets a lot more freer. If it's kind of like you running a vacuum across a rug super slow, and then all of a sudden you get into the tile, it just speeds up. That's always kind of the clue. So we're gonna go that way, and then we've got the smaller pec minor. I like taking the sharper edge right here, and we're gonna go away from that shoulder joint as well. So we're gonna work that. We're gonna do it, 30, 45 seconds. We're gonna get right into there. You can see even some red is starting to happen here. So we're breaking up some old scar tissues right there. Good, so that's me inhibiting these muscles. I'm gonna do the upper trap right here. And we wanna go away, so the upper trap, y'all, is right here. So we wanna go away. We wanna get all the way to here. So if I had my shirt off, that's where it's gonna feel like. We're just trying to get away. We only go one direction. So let's see if it did its magic like I thought it would. And I got, a little bit more range, shoulder a little bit better. Now we wanna go facilitate those muscles. So we got the levator muscles, we've got the stabilizing neck muscles that we wanna go. So we're gonna go from down towards my skull. We're gonna go that direction, levator, serratus, and all these other muscles here. So let's go right to it. So why don't we just go right to over here. I'll start at the bottom here, the serratus. So serratus kind of goes towards that rotator cuff, towards that shoulder blade. So we want to go towards.
And like I said, this is broad. There's a lot of like finger-like parts of this muscle. Want to go that direction. Great. And this pretty much is going to the same thing. If you've got a massage gun, we'll have a video for that as well, but you can go, it's pretty much the same action. Good, there we go, like that. Good, now we're gonna get right into the back side here. So I'm gonna go up. I like having this longer tool, which is great, the sharper part. We're gonna go towards. So this is, some of the muscles are actually close enough to that spine and the bones of the spine. We're just gonna drive it up. Yep, and then the levator kind of goes from here to there. You can kind of go that way. So it's tender, it actually hurts pretty good, but it feels good. Now, if you're using a smaller tool and you're feeling numbness, tingling, you're probably pressing too hard. It doesn't have to be too hard. And that's why I said I love this vibrating function, the heating function. I'm not working that hard, so we're gonna go that direction. Now the splenius capitis serratus, if you've got long enough arms, you're gonna hit here, or if you have the range. And once again, you wanna go up, like through that part of your shoulder blade. Yep, good. And that's pretty much how you do it. Try to keep yourself not forward, but as neutral as possible, and that's pretty much that. So let's see if it did the test. I'll turn this off, good. So, yeah, a little bit better. I finally hit something there, and then that shoulder range, look at that. That's a lot better. So that's pretty much, yeah, we did good.
Let us know your thoughts on our video. Leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.